Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Adelio.
Sir.
Good afternoon, Stanley, Hero.
Yes, in here, Miss me. Miss. Okay.
Hero, I always call me Miss. Okay, Andromeda class, Andromeda Galaxy class. Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
Okay, Satyani, good afternoon. How are you today? I hope you are okay, huh? You are fine, yeah, kid? Okay, guys. Before I start share screen, I want to ask you, what about we will study today, kid? What about? Who knows?
About MS Word, sir.
About Microsoft Word. Okay, you can make it more detailed. Microsoft Word about what? We will study today.
About header.
Header.
About header, footer, and footnote and endnote.
Okay, header, footer, footnote, and endnote. Okay, you know header, kid? Head. What head? This head. What is this?
Kepala, sir.
Kepala, sir.
Head. Okay, header in Microsoft Word, it means you know head, the position of head on top. That's right. That's right, Kaizan. Kaizan, keep spirit, Kaizan. Okay, we agree ya, kita setuju the head position of head on top. So the letter also or the page, ya, your page, ya halaman kerja kamu itu, if the header itu headernya on top, if the footer, foot, you know foot, it mean in bahasa adalah kaki. Okay, foot.
Telapak kaki, sir.
Yeah, the position of foot at the bottom. That's right, kid?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So header on top and the footer at the bottom atau on bottom, ya. Okay, students. And the next we will study about the footnote. What in bahasa notes? Footnotes.
Catatan, sir.
Okay, catatan. You have exercise book, you have notes book, you have textbook. Yeah, notes book. That's right, catatan ya, kid. Okay, footnotes. It means in bahasa footnote. What in bahasa footnote? Adelio.
Catatan kaki, sir.
Catatan kaki. Wow, catatan kaki. Your foot have notes. Ada catatan di kaki. Not like that, ya. Later we want to make how to make footnote, and you can see where is the position of footnote. And also one more, we will study about endnote. Endnote. End. What in bahasa end? End. Ending. What ending?
Akhir, sir.
Yeah, Adelio, what you say?
Akhir.
Akhir. End. The end. Terakhir. Habis. Akhir. Ya, terakhir. So, letter endnote, the position of endnote in the last of the page. Di akhir daripada halaman. If you have 3 page, your document have 3 page, maka the endnote itu, the position of endnote itu in the last page, in the page number 3. Okay, let's go to see the share screen. Yeah, I want to share screen. Okay, students, I want to ask before I continue to the next explanation. I want to ask first, Adelio, do you have laptop or computer?
I have computer, sir.
Computer. Okay, thank you. Saptiani have laptop. New laptop, Saptiani?
No, sir. Udah lama, sir.
But already repaired.
Already, sir.
Okay. Okay, I continue this one. If you have laptop, if you have computer, you can open your laptop. Yeah, you can open your computer beside you. So later when I saw the way how to make a header and footer and footnote and endnote, you can practice directly with your computer or laptop. Yeah. Okay. This one, students. Okay, our learning objective. Ya, tujuan pembelajaran kita today about header, footer, and footnote and endnote. Okay. Hero, how are you How are you today, Hero?
Fine.
Fine. Okay, Hero, you use computer or laptop?
Laptop.
Laptop. Okay. Today we will study about header and footer, footnote and endnote. Okay, students, later you can watch this video, yeah. Yeah, later you can watch this video by yourself. Yeah, and also this is about footnote and endnote. Yeah, this is the link. Yeah, to be more understand supaya lebih paham, you can also watch this video. Yeah, if I click this, if we watch today, I think we don't have enough time. Yeah, so later you can watch by yourself. Okay, before I continue to the next slide, students, this one I want to remind you, students, please type a simple text about the computer. Up to you, the text, kid. The text is up to you. You can copy, you can type by yourself, you can think by yourself, or you can copy, or you can see from the book. You type in Microsoft Word. Open your Microsoft Word. Simple text. Simple text. And then I want you make header and footer on that page. Have header and have footer also. And also, it's better if you can make also the footnote. endnote, ya. Kalau bisa nanti lebih baik, ya lebih baik, it's better, lebih bagus kalau kamu bisa nanti buat juga footnote and endnote. And the deadline is tomorrow, ya kid. You can save the file, ya. You open Microsoft Word, save the file, and then save by your name, ya kid, and send to my WhatsApp or email. Email is juanra@gmail.com. That easy one, kid. Later we see how to make, how to make header, how to make footer, footnote, and endnote. So easy. Just now I already joined to elliptical class. They understand all and already have students. Some students send the assignment, today, because so easy. Okay, look at this, kid. Header. Be focused, header. The definition of header is the text, text. Jadi header itu text also, kid. Text appears at the top margin of every page. Look at the position on top. Okay, your head, the position on top. That's right, kid?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anybody, the position of his head in the middle? No, every human on top. Okay. How to create header? Click insert, menu, insert, and header. Later you can see this one, header, insert, and then click header. This one have many options. You can choose one of them. You can choose which one you want. You can put like this, the text in the left side. You want to make like this, have the text in the left, middle, and the right. You can choose this one in the left, or you can choose in the middle only. Okay, up to you, kid. That's the way how to make header. The next, footer. Footer, kid. What is the definition of footer? Okay.
Put in bottom, sir.
Iya. Chantika, can you read this? The definition of footer.
Footer is the text that appears at the bottom margin of every page. Click insert plus footer.
This is the definition, in button. Text appear, muncul atau kelihatan di button of margin, pembatas kertas paling bawah, every page, setiap halaman. So we make only one, only one time, sekali aja kita buat. In every page have a footer. Jadi dibuat sekali saja dalam satu halaman pertama. The example you make in page 1. So later in page 2, page 3, page 4, and the next itu have automatically, secara otomatis. How to make it? Click insert footer, same. Click insert and have here footer, kid. And so many options also. Have option here. You can choose one. Chantika, last week you say you have laptop. That's right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, students. And how, this already, to insert a footer, click insert and then footer. Okay, the next. Footnote. Footnote. Fina Maricha, can you read this one, footnote?
Footnote is a comment phrase at the bottom of a page which gives extra information about something that has been written on the page.
Okay, footnote is a comment printed, yang terprint atau tercetak, sebuah komen, comment at the bottom, the position at the bottom, of page which yang gives extra information, memberikan informasi tambahan about something that has been written on the page, tentang sesuatu yang telah tertulis di halaman tersebut. Okay, that's about the definition about footnote. Yeah, footnote. How to make footnote? Yeah, click reference. You can see this one, reference. Yeah, reference, this one. And then insert footnote. Yeah, have here, okay, insert footnote. Wow, that easy one. The last, and not. Okay, Adeline. Hi, Adeline. Can you read this one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
And not is a citation of search which are given at the end of a document. Click reference plus insert endnote.
Yeah, at the end. Yeah, at the end. At the end of a document. Okay, that's the definition of endnote. Yeah, how to create, how to make endnote. Yeah, click reference. Have here insert endnote. Yeah. Okay, students. Now before we practice in Microsoft Word directly, you can see here review. Yeah, this is very important, ya, kid. This is review or conclusion, ya, kesimpulan. I hope every student can remember this one. Yeah, header and footer, header, yeah, and footer, and how to insert. Yeah, this is very important. This is text, important text, ya, kid. So you can memorize it. Dihafal, kid. Yeah, also about footnote and endnote. Yeah, if you want to see this, you can open again in WhatsApp group. Yeah, I already sent in the morning. Okay, students, this is also review. Yeah. Okay, now we go to Microsoft Word directly. Yeah. Okay, this is Microsoft Word. We open Microsoft Word. Okay, student, I remind you again, if you have laptop, if you have computer, you can open your Microsoft Word. Okay, bisa langsung mengerjakan your assignment. Ya, this is your assignment. Ya.
Bisa sekarang, sir.
I mean, if you already open your laptop or computer, you can follow me, and then that is your assignment. After Zoom, if you have finished, you can send to my WhatsApp or email. Yeah, boleh. So later, if you have question, if you cannot do, you can ask me directly. Yeah, you can ask me directly. Okay, so how if I don't have computer and laptop? So how? Yeah, you can use Android, ya, WPS Office. Ada juga if you want install in your Android itu Microsoft Word atau WPS Office. Di situ ada spreadsheet, Excel, ada juga dokumen itu Word ya, ada Word-nya, ada juga PowerPoint-nya, kid. Oke, I think not reason ya, nggak alasan lagi ya, kid. Oke, student. Now we start. Yeah, look at the example. I type computer. Yeah, the text about computer. And computer, this is the text up to you. Yeah, is very important in our life. Computer is a need in this era. The example is ya, kid. Example, yeah. Computer. Yeah, so we use computer every day. Every day. Sorry. This is the example, ya, kid.
Sir, if we make like you can, sir.
Yeah, to you. The text up to you. Yeah, the text up to you. Okay, this is example. We want to make the header first. Header. Okay, look at. Who still remember how to make it? What we click? Home, insert, design, page layout. Insert. Okay, thank you. Insert. And then this one, yeah, header. Okay, click the small arrow and then have here, okay. You can choose which one you want, this one or this one or this one or this one. The example, yeah, kid, I choose this. I choose this one. Okay, when I click, have like this. If already like this, you can click here and then you type, yeah, Mr. Juan is a computer teacher. Okay, if already, yeah, if you want to format, you can, ya. Kalau mau diperbaikin, ya. If you want to change the color, ya. If you want to make bold, italic, up to you, ya, kid. After that, don't forget go to design again, ya. If you want to close this, if you want to get out from this header, you can click this one. Yeah, close header. Or you can also double click in here, work area. The example, I double click here. Already have. Okay. Jadi when you active in work area, ini dia seperti abu-abu, tidak aktif ya, Ya. Kalau kamu aktif di sini. How to edit? I want to edit, sir. Yeah, you can just double click here. Double click here, okay. Double click. Ready. You want to edit. What you want to type again? Maybe you want to add the text or to erase. Yeah, up to you, ya, kid. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
if the font change dan kotaknya itu diperbesar boleh, sir?
Oh, can. Up to you, ya, kid. Can. Okay. How to get out from this header? Just now I say can double click here in work area or close this. Click this one. Close. Already. Now we want to make footer. Same, ya, kid. Insert. Footer. Click. Choose one. Example. I choose this. Ya. Klik. Have here. Langsung dia diarahkan. Ya, go directly to footer. You can see this one. You can type directly, ya. Kamu bisa klik atau di type langsung. Ya, type computer. Look at this. This is, yeah, you want to make bold, can, bold, or italic. Okay. You want to change the color, you can choose here. What color you want. Okay. If already, just now, you can double click here, or you can go to design and close. Yeah. Okay, we try it. Okay. Look at kid. On button, this is button ya, di bawah have footer, and on top have header. Students, just now the definition of header and footer, ya, itu kan appear in every page. Dia akan muncul di setiap halaman. We try. Yeah, we make the next page. Okay, Delfino, you can see this Delfino. What page this one? Look at my mouse pointer.
Yes, sir. What, sir?
What page this? You can reach.
Then where, sir? In mine is page 1 of 1.
Yeah, page 1 of 1. Okay. Now I make page 2 and page 3. Yeah, I enter first. Look at. Okay. Already, how much? Page 3. Yeah. That's right, Delfino.
3 of 3.
Yeah, page 3 of 3. Look at it. Every page you can see have automatically, yeah, secara otomatis, automatically have header and have footer, yeah, in page 3. Now in page 2, this one have also. You can see this page 2, yeah, page 2 of 3 have also. So header and footer in every page ya, setiap halaman dia muncul ya, gitu. Okay, students, now we want to make footnote. Yeah, footnote. The example, yeah, footnote. This is easy also. The example, you want to make footnote catatan kaki. The important. If you want to make in here, the important ini ada footnote-nya catatan kaki. You have to put your mouse pointer in here. Look at kid. Yes, saya perbesar. Yeah. Yeah. If you want to make footnote in here, you must put your cursor here, kid. Look at that. Kursornya di situ, kid. Okay. And then after that, what we click it, if you want to make footnote, insert design, page layout, reference, mailing. Yo, what?
I think design, sir.
Oh, just now already have explanation how to make footnote and endnote. Click
this reference and plus insert footnote.
Yeah, reference. We click this one, reference. And then you can see this. Insert footnote. But this is very important, Jakit. Very important for you. Oh, yeah. Before you click insert footnote, you must set your position. Ya, cursor position. Posisi kursornya harus diatur dulu. The example you want to make here, di tulisan important ini nanti ada footnote. So you must put your cursor here. Ya, di ujung daripada tulisan important. And then we click insert footnote. Kita klik ya, Kid. Perhatikan. When I click insert footnote, automatically dia langsung ke bawah. Di atas footer, langsung buat number 1, important. Kita buat di situ penting, itu contohnya ya, penting. Example penting. Ya. We go to up. Yeah, look at this. You can see this, Kid. Important. What you can see there?
3, sir.
This.
Ada angka 1, sir, di atas.
Iya, have number 1 on top. Ya, itulah footnote-nya. Why number 1? Why number 1, Kid?
Because you select one kata, sir.
Because this is the first we make footnote. Ya, kan baru pertama kali kita buat ini footnote. We try again. The example, we make footnote in life. Ya, Secara otomatis, automatically letter, this is number 2. Yeah, look at reference, insert footnote. Look at have here, langsung otomatis gitu. We make hidup, the example ya, hidup. Yeah, we go to top. Look at, you can see kid, what number kid in life? What number this kid? You can see?
Number 2, sir.
Iya, number 2. Jadi kid yang mengatur huruf itu komputer. Otomatis ya, automatically ya kid. If we put the first, so number 1, and the second, number 2. If we make again letter, number 3, yeah, that's automatically ya kid. That's about footnote. So the position of footnote, ya kid, position of footnote, you can see this here. Ya, the position. Posisi footnote itu kid in here ya, on top footer, di atasnya footer. Ya kid, di atasnya footer dia. Okay, you can see this. Ya. Okay, footnote finish. Now we want to make endnote, and akhir. Endnote ya. Okay, we click here. The example, I want to make endnote here. Yeah. Endnote ya. We click here in position after D atau di ujung daripada need, reference, insert endnote. Look at. Kita buat need itu kebutuhan. Kid, look at this kid. Pina, you can see this Pina. What is this Pina?
Page 3.
Yeah, page 3 of 3. Look at students. Yeah. So I say just now. Yeah. So already say just now. Yeah. Endnote, the position endnote itu di halaman terakhir, at the last page. Yeah. Because we have 3 of 3. Yeah. Kita punya 3 halaman, 3 page. So the position yeah in the last of the page. Yeah, kid. Okay. Look at. We go to page 1 again. Look at this kid, need. Can you see kid? What number in need here? Donis, you can see?
Bukan number, sir, tapi kayak ABC.
Okay, letter ya. Adelia.
Yes, letter.
Yeah, what letter that?
E.
I, yeah? I.
Yes,
Yeah?
I.
Okay, we continue. If we make the second, we make 2 ya. Kita buat 2. We make 2 endnotes ya. Endnotes. Okay. Endnotes ya. Insert endnotes. Okay. Look at automatically keep double I. That's right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ya. Kita tuliskan use menggunakan example. Okay. This is ini endnote-nya ya di page 3. You can see here page 3 ya kid. Dia di halaman terakhir. And you can go to page 1. Look at here kid. You can see here. Ya, di tulisan tadi need, this is number letter I. In here double I. And if you put your mouse pointer here, have the explanation or information, ada informasi situ menggunakan. If we go to here, have the text kebutuhan. If footnote, have also ya hidup. This is important, penting. Okay, that's it about our lesson today. Okay, if you already understand, you can do your assignment. If you have finished today, it's better, it's good. You can send to my WhatsApp or email, juanra@gmail.com. Just make header, footer, footnote, and endnote. Yeah, the text up to you. Yeah, if you can make the text only 3 lines, 3 baris or 5 lines, that is okay, no problem. So just want to see only 1 baris. It's okay, but don't forget, yeah, make header, footer, footnote, and endnote. That important. Saya want to see that. Saya ingin melihat kemampuan kamu, your ability to make it. Okay, Adelio, you raise hand. You want to ask something?
Yes, sir. Sir, boleh kerjakannya sama kayak sir.
Okay. Okay, no problem. It's okay. Ya, the text don't be confused ya. Jangan bingung buat teksnya, kid. Kalau teksnya you can see from book, you can see from Google, you can copy. Yeah, that's okay, the text. The important one, make the header, footer, and footnote, endnote. Only that.
Sir, if only I write, I love computer, it's okay, sir.
I love computer. So where you want to put the footnote and endnote? In the text, in the word, which one? Love.
Harus lebih dari satu baris ya.
Oke, gini aja supaya nggak bingung. Students, ya, attention please ya. The text up to you. You make 1 line, 2 lines, 3 lines, up to you. The important one in the text have footnote and notes, and in the page have header and footer. Understand, kid?
Understand, sir.
Okay. Thank you, students. Please do it as good as possible. Yeah, I wait until tomorrow. Yeah, but if you can do it now, don't wait until tomorrow. If you don't have question again, time is over, finish. Yeah, I think enough for today. Yeah, before leave, keep smile, yeah, kid. I want to take photo, please. Okay, one more. Okay. Okay, thank you, ya, kid. Thank you. Keep healthy, keep spirit. Yeah, don't go anywhere. Yeah, please do your assignment. Thank you. One more time, I say thank you, and see you. Bye, bye, kid.
Bye. Bye-bye.